It's all in the rhythm. Let the guitar breathe and it sings back.
For a smooth downstroke, let the pick lean a little, just enough that its edge, not the flat face, meets the string. Keep your grip loose, the wrist stays relaxed, and the motion comes mostly from the forearm, like flicking water off your fingers. As you travel through the strings, let the pick glide and rebound.
Here's the C major shape. Notice how the index finger is on the first fret of the B string. Keep that finger down as your anchor. Lift the middle and ring fingers, swing them over, and land on the third fret of the low E and high E strings. Now you're in G major. Let's walk through it together at a slow, steady 50.
To add rhythm between your chords, weave in muted strums. After a clear downstroke, let the edge of your palm drop on the strings for a crisp, percussive click. Keep your wrists loose, it's more of a brush than a hit. Now the chord, then let it...
Here's an easy way to add movement to any simple chord. Alternate bass note strumming. Start by picking the 6th string on the downbeat, brush upward, then...
To get that soft, heartbeat-like strum, lightly rest the heel of your picking hand just behind the bridge. Let the strings kiss your palm. No squeezing, just a touch. Your thumb or pick glides across the strings while the palm tamps down their chatter, giving you this mellow, percussive thump. Palm muting.
The pattern is down, slap, up, knock. Think of it like drumming and strumming at the same time. I'll go slow first. Down, slap, up, knock. Keeping that steady pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now speeding up, keep it relaxed.
Start here, D major. Fingers fall on the 2nd fret, let the top strings ring. Move to G major, slide the hand, stretch the ring finger to the 3rd fret, and then ease into E minor. 2 fingers open, dark, and warm. Together it's D, G, E minor.
For typing, let your wrists stay neutral and keep the fingers floating. On guitar, park the thumb behind the neck so the rest can roam. In a plank, spread the fingers wide and share the load. For a handshake, meet web to web, confident, not crushing. When tying laces, use bunny ears rather than your thumbs to finish the bow. Your hands...
When you shift from one chord to another, it's tempting to grip the neck like your life depends on it. Knuckles go white, wrists stiffen, and your tone suffers. Instead, keep your fingers loose. Let them hover just above the strings, ready to land where they need to. The smoother the transition, the smoother the sound. Let the music move.
Starting with a full bar across the 7th fret, let the index finger sink in. Middle finger on the 8th of the B string, ring to the 9th of the D, pinky right under it on the G. That's the tension right there.
Start with this G shape and a classic down-down, up-up, down feel. Now slip to C and try a steadier down-down D gets a lighter touch, down-up, up, then we're back home to G. Linking the patterns and the chord moves instantly gives the progression more
One, two, three, four. Keep it even. Down, up, nice and loose.
Lock in with the click. That's it. Nailed it.
Here's a quick trick to make your chord changes feel effortless. Start with a standard G. Hear that? Now watch these two fingers, ring and pinky. Keep them glued to the 3rd fret. Slide the others to land here and you've got C add 9. Hardly moved, right? From there, lift and drop the index and middle. Boom, D sus4. That anchored...
Hear that bite? That's all downstrokes. Every hit travels the same direction, like a hammer falling again and again. Instead of alternating, we lean in, picking downward on every beat. It locks the rhythm tight, like stomping your foot on the floor. Imagine the pick as a drumstick. Each strum is...
Hear how those muted hits pop between the ringing chords? It's like adding a drum kit right under your fingertips. Mix them up, let the groove breathe.
See the beat. Feel the beat. Never lose it. Your timing, illuminated.
Here's a strumming variation exercise you can try. We'll start simple. Now variation 2, change the feel, add a mute. Variation 4, gives it some groove. Your turn. I'll count you in. 1, 2, ready, go. Feel free to mix the patterns as you like.
Let the chords breathe. Use a light touch, leave space, and listen as you play. Slow chord changes mean more emotion.
All those in 2 bars.
Each finger has its own mind. Train it that way. Start by lifting one finger at a time. No helpers allowed. Feel the tendons glide, the joints unlock. Whether you're playing keys, gripping a hand exerciser, drumming, or typing, controlled isolation builds strength and speed. 15 seconds focus a day.
Watch how each finger's path is mapped in real time. Colored rings mark contact points, and the numbers show the exact angle of flex. As the tips touch the surface, pressure ripples reveal how much force you're using. Move into a pinch distance and force vectors appear instantly. Rotate.
This is a basic palm slap pattern. Down, slap, up, slap. Now let's add a thumb thump on beats 2 and 4. Here's a syncopated groove with double slaps, and one more, combining all the accents. Try mixing these up to make your own percussive strumming pattern.
Let the silence breathe. Hear what happens in the space between.
Morning wakes the valley wide, breathing color into the sky. I find a simple melody, rising up in you and me. One step from shadow into gold. We move the way the river flows. A minor turns to G and then the day begins again.
Here's a full guitar finger independence workout. Keep every finger anchored as you move through it. Start with a 1, 2, 3, 4 ladder on a single string. Let each finger click into place, then reverse. Next, skip strings, still keeping the others pinned. For a challenge, hold 3 fingers down and tap the index.